Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about how to book skydiving in Dubai. First of all, you need to visit this website skydivedubai.ae. You can find the link in the description below as well. Moving on, these are some activities which they provide apart from skydiving. But today we will be only talking about skydiving. So just go ahead and click on Tandem Skydiving. So on this page they'll tell you what a tandem skydive is. Now if you scroll down, these are some prerequisites. So let's discuss few of them here. Now if we start with weight and BMI, the weight criteria for women is that it should be less than or equal to 90 kgs, and for men is that it should be less than or equal to 100 kgs. And if we talk about BMI, for women it should be less than or equal to 27.5, and for men it should be less than or equal to 30. So make sure you check these parameters before booking your skydive. So now if we talk about the age criteria, the minimum age criteria is 12 years of age. However, if you're between 12 to 17 years of age, you need a signed consent from your parent or your legal guardian. And if you're above 70 years of age or equal to 70 years of age, you need to sign this declaration of fitness form, which is available here at point number 6, and get it signed by your doctor. This basically ensures that you are fit to skydive. So moving on to point number 3, this point specifies that there should be no drugs or alcohol in your system 24 hours prior to your skydive. So don't drink before your skydive. Now point number 4, these are some medical conditions. If you are suffering from any one of them, you again need to download this declaration of fitness form and get it signed by your doctor before arriving at that location. Now point number 5 basically specifies that you should avoid scuba diving 24 hours before your tandem skydive. So these are some prerequisites, so read them in detail before booking. Now if you scroll down, these are some frequently asked questions, so you can check them out. They have basically the refund policies and what are the facilities available at the skydive location. So if you want, you can read them. So moving on, I'll just click on book your experience here to go ahead with our booking. Here you will find that you can jump at 2 locations. One is over the desert, which is at outskirts of Dubai, and therefore it's cheaper than over the Palm. But over the Palm includes views of the entire Dubai city, so I'll highly recommend over the Palm. It's a bit expensive, but it's worth it. So I'll just go and click on book now here over the Palm. Booking process is fairly simple. Here you just have to select a suitable date, then it will ask you about a suitable slot. Here you have to enter the number of jumpers, so I'll just write 1 and then submit. Here you have to enter all your personal details. Okay, so now this is the total cost of your jump, which is around 47,000 in INR, and this is the amount you have to pay right now on booking. This amount includes all the photos and media. For Instagram edit, you have to pay extra at the location. So that's it from my side. Coming ahead is my experience in skydive, so make sure you watch it, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Nice. How was it?
Amazing, no words.
Good. Did you take your goggles off?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well done, okay? Thanks for coming to Skydive Dubai.
Thank you.
See you later. Woo.